So this is a GoPro remote. Really simple to connect. Tells me how much, sorry, my dog is barking at the window. It's showing me everything on a little screen. Tells me that it's 60 frames a second. I've been recording for 1 minute. But it's pretty wild. I mean, that is really awesome. I can just press the little button there and stop the record. Let me see if I can do it real quick. Hang on. Yep. There you go. I'm learning the controls. Power button on top. USB charge on the bottom. Have to throw on a wrist. So, yeah, just simple start. That is really neat. So what I like about this is, if I'm using my GoPros, so you can see the battery on this is, actually, where's the battery on this? Oh, that's cool. You can do highlights. Okay. That is awesome. I'm gonna see if it automatically rejoins when I turn it back on. No way, that's cool. That's neat. I've never had a remote for my GoPros, but this one is pretty thick. It looks bigger than the ones I've seen for the GoPros, but yeah, I like it. Like I said, I need to get 2 more of these for my other GoPros. I'm wanting to get the newer GoPros. I have the Max, of course, and I have the 7 and the 8 Black Series. So this is nice that this works with this. And here comes my dog. There goes my dog. I love him. All right. Well, that's my review for the TELESIN GoPro remote. And a little hi by Riley, my dog. Alrighty, well, that's it for this review. I think it's a great little device. It's awesome.